Steven, tell us a little bit about yourself. Tell us a little bit about yourself. What? This is the part where you talk.
I take pictures.
You're retarded.
Yeah. I get all sensitive when I'm on the video.
I'm embarrassed, Steven.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe you shouldn't be so retarded. How old are you?
5.
What's your favorite color?
I don't know.
What's your favorite animal?
Let me think.
Cats.
Oh, no.
Steven loves cats.
Hell no.
What are you doing? How do you look at pictures?
Let's delete the video off of here.